This tutorial video is a practice of the previous tutorial videos, Mountain Pose, Warrior 1, Warrior 2, and Reverse Warrior. And the Reverse Warrior video, I said you could do your own practice, but what the heck, I'll just go ahead and make a video. We can do it together. Yay! All right, so front of your mat, Mountain Pose. All right, so we're taking it a little bit slower than we do the other tutorials. So we're going to take our time to engage our mountain pose. Press the toes in, edges of the feet, heels. Feet are straight. From the soles of the feet all the way up to the crown, we're going to engage the body. So from the feet, engaging the calf muscles, coming up to the thighs, tuck in the tailbone, pelvis forward, arms reach down, shoulders away from the ears, engage the core, align the spine, zip up, lift the chest, chin level, crown directly upward toward the ceiling. Hold for a breath, inhale and exhale. On the next breath, we're going to come into extended mountain pose, so that's with the arms up. So inhale, bring the arms up. On the exhale, bring the hands together and down to heart center. All right. This is just a good way to get the body ready for movement, engaging the breath, engaging your balance. So coming into warrior stance, step the right leg back, keep the hands at heart center, adjust the foot, 90 to 45 degree angle, heel is down, pelvis is forward, knee aligned over the ankle. Inhale, arms up, exhale, shoulders away from the ears, warrior 1. Next breath, inhale, turn the torso to the side. Exhale, bring the arms down parallel, look forward, warrior 2. Next breath, inhale, back arm to back leg, front arm comes up, stretch the abdomen area. On the exhale, slowly come back through to warrior 2. So what we just left was reverse warrior, back into warrior 2. Next breath, inhale, turn the torso forward, bring the arms forward, come back into warrior 1. And exhale, step out, mountain pose, shake it out. Whew, that's a full body workout. And we have to do the other side for balance. So with any asymmetrical asana, if you do one side, you should always do the other side. Pay attention to what both sides feel like. One side might feel tighter or looser. That's okay. Our bodies tend to be kind of in imbalance depending on like which side you use the most. So it's all right. Just be aware. Make a note of it. All right. So mountain pose once again. Deep inhale and slow exhale as you engage from the soles of the feet all the way up to the crown, calf muscles, thighs, hamstrings, tailbone tuck, pelvis forward, arms reaching down, shoulders away from the ears, core engaged, back straight, chest lifted, chin level. Inhale, arms up, extended mountain pose. Exhale, bring the hands together down to heart center. Step the left leg back for your warrior stance. Okay. Heel down, front knee bent. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders away from the ears. Warrior 1. Next breath, inhale, turn the torso to the side. On the exhale, bring the arms down, look forward. Warrior 2. Next breath, reverse warrior. Inhale, back arm to back leg. Arm comes up. And on the exhale, come back out into warrior 2 once again. Lastly, breathe, inhale, torso comes forward, arms comes forward, arms comes up, warrior 1. And exhale, step out, shake it out. All right, that is your warrior practice. Mountain pose, warrior 1, warrior 2, reverse warrior. Take your time, engaging those. Feel free to practice all together, one at a time, whatever works for you, as long as you, again, take your time. Make sure you breathe. I'm out of breath because I'm breathing and talking. So you should have a little bit better luck. All right, have fun. And when you're ready, continue with the asana lessons.